Hey guys, welcome back to Shifting Your Gear. Today we're having a very quick sneak peek at the new WRX Club Spec. These cars come in 4 colors, which is the black, blue, white and grey. And over here we've got a WR blue example. Looks beautiful. I'll point out the differences. First things first, you've got these 19-inch alloys. They're different from your standard wheels as opposed to the 18s, and you've got the Brembo brake kit, which definitely stand out. Something the WRX really needs. Nice WR blue color. There we are, the back end. Wheels again. With the brakes. Very nice finishing. And another big key feature on this car is got the big STI spoiler. And obviously, not being that it's not a WRX, it doesn't have that little lip. It's just a big spoiler. Does make it look a lot better with the WRX Club Spec badge. And the next differences will be inside. Let's have a look. Now this car's got the ultra suede finishing, as you can see. Everything else is pretty standard. This one doesn't come with a sunroof, so it's not the top of the range. It doesn't have the Harman Kardon sound system, but it does have the, let's have a look at here, the Recaro seats. We've got a little badge here which tells you what number of the 150. So these are limited to 150 in Australia. Got a nice kind of suede finish here too. Another quick note, guys, is this car only comes in a 6-speed manual. So there's no manual transmission in this vehicle. And it comes in only an ultra suede finish. So there's no full leather interior on the new WRXs at all. Back end, see the big wing from the back. But yeah, guys, that's just a quick look. That's the vehicle. It looks great. I think this is kind of Subaru's answer for not having the STI anymore. Having the big wheels, brakes and the wing. That's basically all STI accents. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned. Cheers.